In Unreal, let's start a new project, for example, third person. If there is no Quixel Bridge plugin in the drop-down menu, then we need to install it from the Vault section of Epic Games library. After that, let's restart Unreal. Let's start the project again. As you can see, now we have Quixel Bridge. Let's open it. Log in with an Epic Games account. Let's select the Metahuman model that we've saved earlier. There is a link to the review of Metahuman Creator in the description below. Let's choose a place to save. Let's choose the quality and download.
3 hours later.
Check download location. Copy the Metahumans folder and paste it into the content folder of Unreal project that is currently open. We can close Quixel Bridge. Let's throw our Metahuman into Unreal, enable all missing plugins and restart Unreal if needed. Once again, let's throw our Metahuman model into the Unreal window.